Today we are going to learn about variables. What is variables? Variables are like a container that hold data. For example, x equal to 5. This x is variable and this 5 is value. X holds this 5 inside of it. But remember that a good programmer always declare his variable by let and constant keyword at the first. For example, I want to declare this by let keyword. Now let's display the output of this. Console.log x. Let's see the output. Yes, this 5. And now I want to declare another variable by constant keyword. Constant y equal to, for example, 10. And let's see the output of that. Console.log y. And now let's see the output. Yes, this 10. Remember that when we declare our variables by let keyword, we can update whenever we want. But when we declare our variables by constant keyword, we cannot update it anymore. For example, I want to update this 5. For example, x equal to 20. And now the x value is 20. Now x doesn't hold 5, but x holds 20. And if we update our constant keyword, it doesn't work. For example, y equal to 3. Now let's see it. Look, this is true, but this isn't true. Look, because we cannot re-update our constant keyword or our constant variable. This was variable, and we can declare variable like this by let and constant. After that, we can give a name for this, for example, whatever you want. And after that, you can write assignment operator. After that, you can give whatever value you want. For example, I want to write like this. Let, for example, my name equal to simple code. Now let's see the output of this. Console.log my name. Let's see the output of this. Sorry, because here is wrong. Yes, now it works well.